Very quick tip. So if you're buying tarps and they're disintegrating, obviously this one's a cheaper brand, and as you see that number one option, you can use roofing sheets. If you have tons of extra roofing sheets or excess roofing sheets, or the ones which got holes at the top, you can chuck them on top of the steel lot that you want to store, and you can use a pallet. But don't use these ridiculous tarps because they disintegrate. I've been going through maybe 2 of these in a 5-year period, and they're just rubbish. I mean, they have the UV stabilized ones for maybe 5 times the price. But here's my tip: if you have a pool, or if somebody's trashing the pool, get the UV stabilized liner. This, I think it's made out of PVC, and it's really thick. This thing will last decades. I mean, compared to the tarp, it's on top of it, it's UV stabilized. I mean, this thing is huge. The only downside is it's very heavy, and probably I should have been cutting it, but now just got it. And what I will do is I will clean it up, probably cut it into pieces, and then I don't need to deal with this rubbish and this junk. Look at this. This is what it is. Just now with the industry, planned obsolescence, and they just technically designed them to disintegrate. No more UV stabilizers or thick material and whatnot. They just want you to come back and buy more from them, and no more. Just use a pool liner or one of those overground pools. That's it. Hope that helps.